Because Delhi is likely to now see a huge jump in coronavirus cases. Mumbai has 220,000 more cases, over twice as many deaths. But if Delhi's government projections are to be believed, the capital could soon even surpass Mumbai and become the worst affected city from COVID. Take a look.
Mumbai and Delhi, India's biggest metros, also the worst affected by coronavirus pandemic. With over 44,000 active cases, the maximum city has the most number of COVID patients as of now. But the rapid increase in COVID cases in Delhi has raised concerns whether the city is set to be the next COVID capital. According to projections, Delhi could have 1.34 lakh cases by July 7th, while Mumbai will have 1.18 lakh cases. The Delhi government is already ringing the alarm bells. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has echoed his deputy Manish Sisodia's projections and has appealed for unity.
हमें आपस में नहीं लड़ना, हमें इस टाइम एकजुट होना है, हमें एक देश बनना है। जब तक सारे मिलके नहीं लड़ेंगे, बीजेपी, कांग्रेस, आम आदमी पार्टी, ये पार्टी, वो पार्टी, डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेज, पुलिस, तब तक हम कोरोना को नहीं जिता पाएंगे। आप सोच भी नहीं सकते कितनी बड़ी विपदा है ये।
The Delhi government expects it will need nearly 80,000 beds by July end. And to meet the Herculean challenge, Delhi is doing what Mumbai has done. It is converting several stadiums and hotels as COVID care centers.
15 जुलाई को दिल्ली में 33,000 बेड्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी दिल्ली वालों के लिए। 31 जुलाई को 80,000 बेड्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी। दिल्ली के अस्पतालों में 50% लोग दिल्ली के बाहर से आके इलाज कराते हैं। सारे मिला के बाहर वाले भी अगर मिलाएंगे तो 65,000 बेड्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी।
Delhi is already feeling the heat. Many are complaining of lack of beds, and the government is at odds with private hospitals and labs. And now with the unlocking, the capital city has a lot of catching up to do. Bureau Report, India Today.
Now remember, we started off the show with Mumbai's Dharavi and how Dharavi is fighting back against Corona. But Delhi too has its own Dharavi. Remember, the new Delhi of sorts is a Delhi which has a number of slum areas. Many of those slum areas highly congested, very difficult to ensure any kind of physical distancing. And those areas are becoming now the key in this fight. Remember, Delhi's seen 49 deaths in the last 24 hours. The ground report today comes from Sushant Mehra, who reports from the slums of Delhi, the new COVID challenge.
Slums, the underbelly of urban India. Densely populated and poorly serviced slums of Delhi, where people live cheek by jowl, are emerging as a big concern as number of COVID-19 cases arise in the capital. For slum dwellers living in these congested, overcrowded slums, like this one, called Sudhar Camp in South Delhi's Kalkaji, following social distancing and other hygiene measures to combat the coronavirus is next to impossible.
इस सुधार कैंप में कोरोना पॉजिटिव लोग हैं जिनको गवर्नमेंट ने यहाँ पे होम क्वारंटाइन के लिए डाल दिया है। हमारी गवर्नमेंट से सिर्फ यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि यहाँ पे होम क्वारंटाइन नहीं चल सकता। यहाँ पे 7,000 लोग रहते हैं और 2 कॉमन बाथरूम हैं। तो सर, हम यहाँ पे होम क्वारंटाइन कैसे किया जाए?
The most worrying concern is sanitation. Hundreds of people are forced to share a few toilets available.
नहीं देखा उन्होंने एक बार भी कि होम क्वारंटाइन केजरीवाल जी के आदेश अनुसार कैसे हो सकता है। आप आके देखिए, 2 बाई 2 की झुग्गी में 4-4 लोग रहते हैं। कॉमन बाथरूम है जिसमें ठीक से साफ सफाई की व्यवस्था ही नहीं है। अब कैसे हम लोग होम क्वारंटाइन होंगे और कैसे हमारा बचाव होगा?
Safeda Juggi in Geeta Colony is a containment zone. But apart from a police barricade, the locals allege nothing else has been done. And that lockdown curbs eased, it's back to business. But the fear of infection is palpable.
लेडीज शौचालय है और 6 जेंट्स है, तो ये 12 सीट है दोनों मिला के, और 10 से 15 हजार की आबादी है हमारी बस्ती की। एक जब इनको सील तो कर दिया गया, लेकिन ना इनको कोई डॉक्टर देखने के लिए आता है, ना उनके लिए सरकार की तरफ से कोई व्यवस्था है, ना लोगों पे कोई प्रतिबंध है, कोई गाइडेंस देने वाला नहीं है, कोई बताने वाला नहीं है।
While the governments have issued various advisories to fight COVID-19, most of these are based on ideal scenarios of managing the crisis. With the number rising in Delhi, the administration will have to devise a strategy for congested colonies like these as well. With Sushant Mehra in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.